Bitcoin bulls still struggling after po natin mag-close sa daily below $65,000 area nung binasag po natin ito. Yan yung previous swing low, binasag natin. Today is a confirmation of that breakdown. So kapag magkakita tayo ng long red sa closing nito, most likely it's confirmed. Sabi din natin sa inyo, no, pag binasag yung 65, ang lapit lang kasi ng 62 yung body nitong dalawang candle na to. That will act as our support. So nakikita natin tumatalbog po dyan. Let's see kung mag-hold dito. No? Once ma-break natin itong $62,000 area, kung babasagin po natin yan, this will open the door to the $60,000 and probably even lower. Kasi kung makikita nyo, this is just a week. Wala pong trades dyan. No? So pwedeng sundutan yan, pailalim, even lower. Once we break the $62,700 or $62,800 area. Ngayon, if you're trading Goldify using our TIPI trading system, nagkaroon ito ng sell-on rally setup. So we're just looking for sell-on rally kasi red cloud tayo sa 4-hour time frame, red cloud na rin tayo sa 1-day time frame. So we don't want to fight the trend. So yung trend cloud natin, which is red, tells us that we need to look for sell opportunities. So asan yung sell opportunity? Yun po, red cloud, red dot, red candle na in-overpower niya itong previous green candle. So yun po yung setup. Yan ang entry mo, itong candle na to sa closing. Last February 22 pa to, nung Sunday. And yung SL nito, yung high nung entry candle. So tumutulo po. So kung kayo po ay nakasakay dyan, you need to take some profit na ha, kasi nandun na rin sa support area.